so we are, I'm sorry I'm in the black box. You can barely see me. It's a new classroom. We're going to work on packages, and we're going to work on testing. And so I'm going to create a new folder. It's going to be 009 package testing. And then in here, I'm going to create a new file. It'll be main.go. And this will be package main. And I'm going to have main, funk, main, uptown, funk you up. And we're just going to print line, first of all, that it's going to exit. And it's about to exit. And then I'm going to go into that and cd and 09, go run main. And wow, it gave me 42 and exiting. I'm not in 009. And go run main. And no funct undefined. I need to save up here to get my import. And do that again. Cool. So that ran. And now I'm going to create a new file here in main. And this will be, I don't know, I might call it routing or whatever I want to call it. And this will be package main. And this will be foo, func foo. And it will return a string. Return hello. And so now I'm going to come back here and I'm going to do x colon equal foo. Returns a string. Now I'm going to print that string out. Okay. Now I'm going to run this again. And undefined foo. Oh, I need to go run star.go. Hello and exit. Okay? Yeah? Makes sense? Take a second, look at the code. Anybody have questions? I've got routing and main, two files. Main.go, routing.go. Those are files. And they're both in package main. Package main, package main. Let me do this. All right, they're both in package main. And then over here on the routing.go file, it's all package main. It's just in different files. No big deal. All right, over here, I've got foo. I call foo. And then, returns hello. And I print that out, what I return that string, and then I exit. So I go run star.go, so it runs both files. Any file starting with anything ending in .go is going to run. So now I'm going to create a package. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'll call this one helpers, like in our last one. And I'm going to create a new file, and I'll call this anything.go. And I'll just bring this one back over here. There we go. And so anything.go is going to be package helpers. I just want to kind of play with whether the package name should be the same as the folder name. I think that's probably good practice. Keep your package name the same as the folder name. So it's going to be package helpers, and we're going to have func bar, and it needs to be uppercase. It's going to return an int and return 42. And it has to be uppercase so that it's visible outside the package. I'm going to save that, save this, and I'm going to have y colon equal, and I'm going to do bar, and it's from helpers.bar. And I'll save that. Mine doesn't do the imports. Who said that they got it to do the imports easily? How did you do it? Okay, so you got to do this, you mean?
Well, I did go in it first.
So you did go module init in the folder?
Yeah, put it that folder.
So in this folder you do it.
Yeah, push it up, and then it should, as soon as you put the file name, the anything, it should import out.
I didn't know that pushing it needed to be the thing. Yeah, see, mine's not bringing it in. How? You don't know. That's what you just pushed up and it worked?
Yeah, after I pushed up, when I typed in the import helpers, instead of when I did the import, I think this time it's going to be anything.
No, it's package helpers, right? And that's helpers. So you just pushed and then it worked, huh? You're in VS Code also?
Yeah.
And mine's not doing it for some reason. Two problems with this file. So I could also do import and github.com goes to 11 and it's CIT 90 fall 2019 and then so 09 dash package dash test. What did I call this? Testing. And then it's helpers. Now it's like searching for that, I guess. Did you do your go mod and knit right in this folder right there or in this folder up here? You did in the root of the whole project, but it recognized it, huh? Yeah, so now it's got it, right? I'm just going to cut this out. Let's cut this whole line. And take this out and retype it and see what happens. And we want y : helpers dot bar and save it. Yeah, it didn't do it. All right, but when I put that in, it's fine. Wait, oh yeah, you do the dot without any module.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. I saw that before, but
Ivan's got Linux. It didn't work for him, so.
Oh, it didn't?
It may vary depending on the operating system.
Interesting.
So I don't know what the Mac's gonna do.
So what one student just showed me is that this worked for him to do that.
Still gotta put the quotes around it.
There we go. Well, let's see if it runs. And go run main.go. Build command line arguments cannot find module for path users Highlander. Yeah, so it doesn't like that. But see if it likes this. Like that. So I got to manually name it all, which is the correct way to do it, the whole namespace. All right, so I've created, now I've got package main, and I have package helpers, and I want to write the tests, and this is becoming a little bit of a longer video, but c'est la vie. So now I'm going to write tests. And so to write tests for this, right here I need a new file right there, and this one is, whoops, this one is going to be main_test.go, right? And this is going to be package main. And then we're going to have func, and we need test. And then it's going to be foo. We're testing foo. And we want is going to be equal to hello. And then if got is equal to foo, and got is not equal to 1, then we're going to do t_err f. And I like this line here, so I'm just going to copy it. Testing, testing, testing. TRF. Foo is equal to got, right? That's what we got, this variable here. And then want is equal to that, right? Want was equal to that. And so with main.go, we also have routing, just randomly name that anything, and it returns hello. So we should get that this all passes. And then we want to write a test for this one. So in here, I'm going to create helpers underscore test.go. And this will be package helpers. And then we're going to have a func test bar. And that's going to be t pointer to testing.t. I think I left that out of the other one. Yep. T pointer to testing.t. And then here we're going to do got want is colon equal 42. And if got colon equal to bar, and that's an exported func, so it's uppercase, and we've got anything, and there's bar, and then we have got, and if got is not equal to 1, we have this line again, and we're going to have bar. Gave us that, but we wanted this. And then we're going to save all that. And now we could go up to our root. Clear. I don't know why that didn't clear for me. There we go, now it's clearing. And we want to go test. And package testing, undefined testing in main underscore test, go 3 control command click to follow. And so what's not, oh, I need to import that. There we go. Imported that and imported that. Now let's try it again. And arraf format %d is r got of wrong type string. And so this is in, so I could again do command click to follow, and this needs to be a %v or %s. I'm saying decimal, and it's actually a string, and same with this one. And then everything passed. So I now have 2 packages. I got package main, and I have package helpers, and I also wrote tests for the functions that I'm using in each of those. So the importance of testing is that you want your function to be able to take some input and produce some output, and you should have some idea of what that output's going to be. These are really simplistic, testing for hello or testing for 42, but this starts to give you a sense of how you start to structure your packages and your tests. And being able to wrap your head around that, if you have other coding knowledge, that takes you a long ways. So pretty cool.